next concept, dear students. It is to find the rational numbers between given two rational numbers. How to find rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. That is the next concept that I am going to deal with. Now, the first example that I have considered here is find three rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 3 by 5 having the same denominator. One thing you have to be very clear with this concept, that whenever we talk about numbers between two rational numbers, you must understand this point that there can exist many rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. In fact, there are numerous or innumerable number of rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. So here, what are we going to do here is 2 by 5 is the first rational number and 3 by 5 is the next rational number. Of course, 2 by 5 is lesser than 3 by 5, you know this. Now, the condition given to you here is you are going to write or insert three rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 3 by 5 here. So how to go about it? First, what do I do here is I consider the first rational number, that is 2 by 5. So I write 2 by 5 here into how many rational numbers you are asked to insert here? You have been asked to write three rational numbers between them. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So I am multiplying this first rational number into 4. That is, the numerator and the denominator has to be multiplied by 4. 2 by 5 into 3 plus 1. That is 2 by 5 into 4. 2 by 5 into 4 into 4. Okay. So this will give me one more equivalent rational number, which is equal to 8 by 20. So 8 by 20 is one equivalent rational number that I am going to get. So you can see here that the denominator of this equivalent rational number obtained is 20. So now what are we going to do here is we are going to look in for such numbers whose denominator will be 20. So what do I do here is I add 1 to the numerator here. So it becomes 9. 9 by 20, which is the first rational number. Next, I add 1 to the numerator again here. It becomes 10 by 20. The denominator I am not going to change. I will write it as it is here. Once again, the next rational number. How to obtain this rational number here is I am going to add 1 to this numerator. So I am going to get 11 and it gives me 11 by 20. The next number is 12 by 20. Of course, the next number you can obtain it as 12 by 20, but 12 by 20 on simplification will become 3 by 5. So which is this number. But the numbers that we are going to get should be in between this number and this number. It should neither be equal to this number nor be equal to the greater rational number. That is the logic that we have to follow. That is why I didn't multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 directly here. I took one more extra. I added one more number to that and then multiplied by 4. So this is how we are going to get the rational number in between the given two rational numbers. Now, let me consider one more example, dear students. So here the example that I have considered here is find 4 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. So if you observe here, the denominator of both the rational numbers are different. So we have to find out a way in which we can compare these two rational numbers now, so that we can have a common denominator to compare and to do the further operation. So now let's consider the LCM of 3 and 6 here. The LCM of 3 and 6 here is 6. directly it is, the multiple is going to become the LCM. So it is 6. 6 will become the LCM here. Now, I consider the first rational number here and I am going to multiply it in such a way that I must convert the denominator to the LCM. So 2 by 3 is the given rational number. 6 is the LCM. I have to convert this denominator into 6. How do I do it? I multiply this by 2. 3 2s will give me 6. So here I am also going to multiply the numerator also by 2. So I will get an equivalent rational number as 4 by 6. And already this number is having 6 as a denominator. I straight away write it as 5 by 6 as it is. Now, we are required to find out 4 rational numbers between the given 2 rational numbers. So what do I do here is, I write the first rational number, that is 4 by 6 into 4 plus 1 is 5. So I am going to multiply numerator and denominator by 5 here. I am going to get one equivalent rational number, that is 20 by 30. So what do I do in the next step? I will add 1 to this numerator. It will give me 21 by 30, which is my first rational number. The second rational number is 22 by 30. The third rational number is 22 plus 1, 23 by 30. And the next rational number is 23 plus 1, 24 by 30. So this is how we can arrive at any number of rational numbers given between two rational numbers. Now I want you all to take down the assignment questions and try to solve these problems. So the first assignment question would be, represent minus 2 by 4 on the number line. Represent minus 2 by 4 on the number line. Second one is, represent 1 by 5 on the number line. Represent 1 by 5 on the number line. The third assignment question would be, find 4 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 with same denominator. You have to find 4 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 with same denominators. Next, fourth question is, find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 5 by 9. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 5 by 9. Thank you, my dear students.